So you're thinking about buying new construction in South Florida. Here are the top 5 tips you should know. Now, starting off with tip number 5, we're going to dive into one that most people don't even think of, and that's a pre-drywall inspection and a final inspection before the home actually closes. That way you could figure out the miscellaneous and punch-out items that need to be repaired. At number 4, we have lifestyle and location. Rather you desire a waterfront condominium or a starter home in a fresh new community from the ground up, you're going to want to evaluate the amenities that the community has to offer and the surrounding neighborhood. Moving on to tip 3, the builder's reputation. Take the time out to look at the builder's track record, look at the past projects, look at the past reviews from other customers, and evaluate the reputation that the builder upholds. Tip number 2, customization options. Evaluate the customization options with your builders. There's certain builders where what you see is what you get, and there's others where they're more custom and hands-on. And now, the top tip of buying new construction in South Florida: budget and financing. Establish a clear budget and explore financing incentives early on. Knowing your financial boundaries ensures a smooth and hassle-free buying experience. And there you have it, your 5 essential tips that you should know when you're buying new construction in South Florida. If you have any to add, feel free to comment below. Happy house hunting!